Okay, so this first moment that I thought was worthy of looking back and doing a constellation of demands for was when the teacher says, does a call and response to get the student's attention. And I looked at a few demands relevant to the situation. One was the teacher's goal, which was to get the student's attention. The other was that Brenda was supposed to be identifying the source of sounds with her cochlear implants. Um, Another was that fingerspelling that entire interaction would take a very long time. Um, and so the course material that I thought was relevant to this was that deaf children are often modified bystanders in the classroom because there aren't enough opportunities for participation, but not perhaps in the way that it is obvious that it would apply to this situation, because rather than trying to prioritize participation in this particular situation, I considered that the length of fingerspelling this entire interaction would be substantial, and um, I thought that I lost my train of thought. I thought that it would perhaps be more prudent to speed through this portion so that the future opportunities for participation could be more more prioritized. I came up with a few various controls for this. One was just to say, like, focus on the teacher now. Another was to fingerspell the entire interaction, since there aren't really signs for those things. And the third was to interpret one repetition of the phrases rather than both. And I ended up going with that third option because it still provided the access to what was actually being said rather than just the intent, while not taking the full amount of time so that I could still prioritize future opportunities for participation, since the choral response was not really accessible to Brenda.